Today I'll teach you how to use update query with Dapper in ASP.NET. If you need information about installing the Dapper library, you can refer to the link of the video on the right hand side. Here I am making use of customers table, the schema of which is shown on your screen. In this particular table, the customer ID field is set to auto increment. We'll start by adding an HTML table where I'll be adding few text boxes. Once the text boxes are added, I'll be adding a button. This button will be used for updating the records in the database table. Let's move to the code behind. We'll start by adding some namespaces. So the very first namespace is Dapper, then system.configuration, and finally system.data.sql client. Now inside the update event handler, first I'm writing the SQL query for updating the records in the customers table. Here I'll be updating the name and country fields based on customer ID. So here I have created a string variable, and inside that I am reading the connection string from the web.config file. For more information on reading connection string from database, please refer to the video on the right hand side. I have created an object of SQL connection class, and I have passed the connection string variable to it in the constructor. And then I am fetching the values of the customer ID, name and country fields from the respective text boxes. Now the SQL query and the field values such as customer ID, name and country are passed to the execute function of the Dapper. The execute function returns the number of rows affected. For example, if one row is updated, then it will return 1, and if none of the rows are updated, then it will return 0. So after that, I'm making use of if condition to check whether the row was updated or not. If the row is updated, then I am displaying the success message with the help of JavaScript alert message box. And if the row was not updated, then I'm displaying a alert message box saying that customer not found. Now our project is ready. Let's run it and see it in action. As you can see, the text boxes and the button are visible. This is the database table before update. I'm filling the text boxes with the appropriate values, and I'm clicking on the update button. I got a success message box saying that the record was updated. As you can see, the row is updated. With this, we come to an end. Today we learned how to update record in database table with the help of Dapper library in ASP.NET. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.